Today I'm going to show you how I got these beautiful bouncy curls. First I go in with a conditioner. This one is Curl Smith Glow Perfecting Conditioner, and I dilute it with water, or you can use a leave-in conditioner, and I apply it to my entire head while it's soaking wet. And then I go in with a foam. This is the AG Hair Care Volume Foam, and I take one pump per small section of hair. The smaller the section, the more defined your hair will be. And then I rake my fingers through it. I use 4 fingers to rake through it a couple of times. And then I take those smaller sections that I just created and I finger curl my hair. So you can see I go halfway down the hair strand and I curl it as I pull my finger down, and it just creates beautiful curls every single time. And I love that they last for about 5 to 7 days. So this is what it looks like when it is done and still wet. I'm going to let it air dry. You can also use a diffuser. Then once it's dry, I'm going to scrunch it out, and that is it.